Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. Today matter na about this woman, Mama John Davis. Now matter I want to talk about today, my darling people. You see all those side chicken, they're not gonna use laugh finish person though. They're not gonna use laugh to finish person, my darling people. My ogbonge people, my correct people. This matter, it dey make me dey laugh. It dey really make me laugh. And I know why it dey make me laugh. Side chick, ex-girlfriend, go call Mama John Davis. Mona listen though. I see say she dey do one live video. Say her husband, ex-girlfriend call am say na your husband ex-girlfriend o. He say okay. Anything? Not vex say I call you. I wan just tell you say your husband and me we do boyfriend and girlfriend before, and your husband John Thomas dey with me, so I wan publish am for Facebook. Na the woman say, you mean am? Abeg publish am. I go put the video more na list here. Very funny, very funny. Now he say abeg let me publish am, abeg I use God say beg you publish am. He say so you no go vex if I publish am, you no go leave am. He said no worry. Mama John Davis na come dey talk now. He say no worry, publish am. If you publish am finish, na those kind men wey be say they are just almost dey outside now dey love. Abeg get me publish am, because I no dey leave my husband for anybody o. I no dey leave am. My husband wey go school come marry ogbeke like me, you say I can't leave that kind man because you wan publish John Thomas. Abeg get me publish am. I no fit laugh, my darling people. You know why I dey do this video be say, even as some women I go just dey fear, hey, how much we wan give you, this that o. No, I really love the way Mama John Davis dey answer am. I really love am, like seriously. Yeah, publish am because na mumu na dey worry some girls. You wan come use am take deceive the woman, and so that you come leave and you come go carry am for junction, abi? Married women don get sense o. They don get sense. You think say that before? They don wise. Make you don't go there. They don get sense, not be small. You think so? Now this one I feel say una fit dey deceive person now for all those kind nonsense. I go put the video now more na list, my darling people. Thank you.
Hello, beautiful people. How do we all do this morning? Hello, beautiful people. How do we do this morning? How do we do this morning? Trust we are good. I want you to understand that life is a battle place. And the only people that survive it are those who are ready to face the battle, no matter the dimension it takes. The beauty of life is that life is a battlefield. And the only people that survive these battles, please join, share the program, like my video. I've posted Mary Johnson. I will give you from part 1 to part 6 of your life. So that next time when you want to do things like this, you'll be careful. My husband is not the only man you are blackmailing. Every other man you're blackmailing right now, I pray they get this video and stop paying you. If this is the way you eat, it has stopped for you. You have to go and earn a genuine living. Now, let me clear something. When a man and a woman is in a relationship that has surpassed 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, they are no longer just, happy independence to my lovely friend. Happy independence, Nigeria. How do we all do? When a man and a woman is in a relationship, at some point in the relationship, there are things they share in common. not a lawyer, but I will analyze you nicely. And Mary Johnson, get ready to meet me in the court of law. Get ready to meet me in the court of law. So that the rest of you coming will choose their blackmailing right and program it well. Do you know there are women you will send their husband nude, their husband pictures where people are making love and the marriage will end? Sorry, my darling sister, I do not fall to that category. Even if it's a recent thing, I cannot leave this house. You see this house? I die here. You have dated this man long time ago, and you have the mind to keep things you shared in common when the going was good up to date. Now you have shared this thing to some guys. They are calling. This guy is calling for money. This guy is calling for money, and you want to have peace. You cannot have peace. I will do part 1 to part 7. The next one, I will post your children. I will post you. You don't want me to be happy in my home? You cannot see happiness. Mary Johnson. Her Facebook name is Mary Johnson. That is her phone number. I'm getting your Facebook name. I will post it. I will post your nakedness and his. You will not only extract his own part and send to me. I've gotten the full video where your face will show, so that we will see who will go down. Whether it's men that go down in this kind of a thing, or it's women that go down. How can I share my boyfriend of old to the public, no matter what he has done to me? Whatsoever a man and a woman shares together should remain that way after everything. It's not a time to hold it and beginning to be blackmailing them. It has ceased. You can no longer get 1 naira. I want them to get the other one. I want to post you and him. That thing that is a big deal to you, I want to show you how small it can be. I called Mary Johnson this morning, and I'm going to play her response. I told her I want to meet her. I want her to meet me in the court of law for wanting to kill my husband for me. You were thinking if you send those things, when the man come, he will die. You want to raise my husband BP and kill him. It's not going to work. I will raise your BP. Part 1 is happening. Let me have my second line. Let me have my second line. Let me have my second line. You want to kill my lovely husband with useless messages. It's not going to work. You want to destroy my home, Abi, by sending what happened years back. I asked him, what happened? Why didn't you people marry? He said he discovered you have children. Abi, he discovered you have children. Throughout in 4 years, you never mentioned you have children. And based on that, that ended the relationship. This man would have married you. You have children. How many children? How many did you discover? You think you will kill him? You know I'm a medicine person. I will build his energy back so he will be active for me on bed. You hit a wrong truck. He discovered you have children. That was what ended the relationship. Single mother. He said you discovered you're a single mother. In 4 years, you never disclosed to a man that you are a single mother. Is it when he married you inside you can't disclose? And that was what ended the relationship. As soon as you hear on David's saga, you came with the first blackmail. The man has been petting. Now you brought it to me. I will help you analyze it. I will help you do it well. That's your phone number. People working for me will send me your Facebook name soon. All the videos, I will get it. I will help you publish it. So that the remaining of you would not do it again. So what you and your boyfriend does is you talk to men, they send their nude picture to you, you begin to blackmail them. That is a way of making money for you. I will do 6 months video for you. When I finish, I'll go and cut my roots. You don't talk about. I am a CEO of my own. I am the owner of Ask Debbie Nigeria Limited. I am a CEO of my own. I answer nobody call. Anytime I like, I open my office. I am a CEO of my own company. I sit down here, work is going on, I'm making money, but I will analyze you. So that next time when you want to destroy a home, you choose the right path. We live in a society where two persons will have something. Once there's small quarrel, secret, secret is flying in the air. When would we learn to keep people, no matter what it is? What the man told me made me cry. A man that established you was headed to the point of marriage, now discover you're a mother of children. If now you your brother, you go agree make you marry the person. When you're entering relationship, you tell people nothing but the truth. Help me find the video, the voice. Go to recorder, find the voice of what we did. I call her this morning. Help me today's date. Mary Johnson told me on voice that is the boyfriend that is demanding for money. You see how they keep people? When the jobless boy who can offer nanny ammo starts doing this, the next thing they will plan and kill the person. I will use you as a scapegoat, as an example, so that your upcoming ones will know that people cannot pay again. All those other men you are holding on ransom, I will begin to send them this video. I've gotten 3 numbers. The one that live at Apapa